Welcome back to Strum-believable Beginners, where families and new players learn guitar together. Today we're learning one of the most useful chord progressions in music, 6-4-1-5, and this is going to be in G major. That 6-4-1-5 in G major is E minor, C, G, and then D. Harmony is going to break down each chord and teach you 3 strumming patterns at 3 different tempos, and then finish off with a bonus arpeggio pattern. By the end of this video, you'll be looping this progression like a pro. Here's the full progression: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. Let's walk through each chord slowly. Alright, Harmony, take it away.
Start with E minor. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and play all of the strings. Next is C major. Place your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Strum from the A string down and try not to play the low E string. The G major chord. Place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Play all of the strings. Finally, D major. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and lastly, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Strum from the D string down. I still have a hard time to not play the A and low E strings too, but keep practicing and you'll get it. If you need more time with any chord, pause the video and take your time. Let's begin with the first strumming pattern at a relaxed 80 beats per minute. Play along as we go through the full progression twice. Let's start with E minor, and here we go. Now we'll pick up the pace with strumming pattern 2 at 95 BPM. The pattern is down, 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 up. This one adds bounce and works great in acoustic, pop, or folk songs. If that was tricky, go back and try again slowly. It gets easier every time. Ready for something more energetic? Here's strumming pattern 3 at 110 beats per minute. Same as the one at 95 BPM, but we added a down strum at the end. Keep your strumming hand loose and relaxed. Don't worry about perfection, just keep moving. Let's slow things back down and learn a bonus arpeggio pattern. Instead of strumming, we'll pick through the strings. Here's one example. We're going to pick these strings in order, but feel free to play your own strings when you get the hang of it. On E minor, C, G, and D, you can pick these strings in order: A, D, G, B, G, then D.
Now that you've learned 3 strumming patterns and 1 arpeggio style, let's review all of them together. We'll go through a 4-bar loop of each back to back, so you can feel the difference in tempo and rhythm. Alright, Harmony, take it away.
Here's your challenge. Try playing this progression every day for a week using a different pattern each time. Once you're comfortable, try singing over it, writing your melody, or even making your own song. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly lessons. Keep on strumming! Alright, that's it for today. Bye, see ya! 1